Let's count these objects. Okay. How many balls are there? There are 1, 2 and 3 balls. And in the second group, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I wrote 5 here and 3 here. So which group is having more objects? By looking at the picture, you are going to tell me which group. Yes, the second group of apples having 5 apples. So it is more. So in today's video, we are going to learn the biggest and the smallest number concept. Okay? So let's start the video. Before I am going to start the video, we are having one page, that is Kidoptive Homeschooling, and you are going the worksheet, the moral stories, the mental math and the worksheets from kindergarten to class 3. Okay, so if you want these things, then you are going to follow that page, and if you like it, then you are going to subscribe that page also. And here if you are looking us in YouTube, then do like, share and subscribe. If you need one-to-one tuition, then also contact us. Okay, so let's go back to video. The basket having how many biscuits? You are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 biscuits. And the second one having how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So having buns. You like? The first one, cookies, 6 cookies and 8 buns. Okay. Now look at the number line. Okay. In the first picture, you can see the numbers from 1 to 10. But in the second picture, you are going to see the numbers from 0 to 20. So 0 to 10 is more or 0 to 20 is more? Obviously 0 to 20 is more. That's why the second number line is 20 is the biggest number. If we compare 10 and 20, then 20 is the biggest number and 10 is the smallest number. If we compare 9 and 19, then 9 is the smallest number and 19 is the biggest number. If we compare 5 and 12, then if your answer is 12 is the biggest number, then you learn it right. And 5 is the smallest number. In this way, we are going to know the biggest number and smallest number. Find and circle the smallest number in each group. Okay, up to 20 I took the number. Okay. So the first set of numbers are 8, 10, 14, 0 and 15. So in between these numbers, which number is the smallest number? Can you tell me? Yes, 0 is the smallest number. 0. Now 1, 9, 11, 6 and 14. Can you tell me the smallest number? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. Now coming to third question, 6, 16, 18, 10 and 0. Can you tell me? Yes, 0, again 0 is the smallest number. 20, 18, 2, 3, 5. Can you tell me the smallest number? Yes, here it is 2. Rest of the questions you are going to tell me. Okay. Tick the biggest number. Okay. 18, 16, 22. So which one is the biggest number? 22 is the biggest number. Now coming to second one, 44, 55, 40. Which one is the biggest number? Yes, 55. So you are going to check if we are comparing with single digit like 1, 2, 3, 4 with 2 digit. Then it is very easy that the first single digits are smallest and the double digits are double or 2 digit numbers are biggest or greatest. Okay. And if we compare 2 digit number with another 2 digit number, okay, then at that time we are going to check if the number in the first place, what are the number in the first place? Here in 12 the number is 1 and here in 28 the number is 2. 1 is more or 2 is more? 2 is more. That's why 2 is starting with 2, 28 is the biggest number and 12 is the smallest number. Okay. If the numbers are starting with the same number, then we are going to check the second place. Okay. Second place. So second place in 40 the number is 0 and in 47 the number is 7. So 0 is more or 7 is more? Obviously 7 is more. That's why 47 is the biggest number and 40 is the smallest number. Okay. You need to remember these things. Okay. Now coming to the question, can you tell me 32, 35 and 39. Which number is the biggest number in between these three? The numbers are starting with 3. So we will check the next number 2, 5 and 9. Which one is more? 9. So 39 is the biggest number. Now take the smallest number 44, 28, 21. So first we are going to check the starting number, beginning one. 2, again 2 and 4. So there are two numbers which are starting with 2. So we are going to check the next number. So the next number here is 1 and here is 8. 1 is smaller or 8 is smaller? Yes, 1 is smaller. That's why here 21 is the smallest number. Okay? Understood? Now second one. 29, 26 and 28. Can you tell me? Smallest is 26. Okay? Now when we are comparing, then the greater than symbol for greater than symbol. Okay? This is the greater than symbol and this is the lesser than symbol and this is the equal symbol. If the numbers are equal means we are going to place this symbol. Okay? 34 and 32. 34 is big or 32 is big? 34 is big. So we are going to put the greater than symbol here. Okay. 43 and 43. The numbers are equal? Yes, the numbers are equal. 46 and 50. 46 is greater than or less than 50. 4 comes first or 5 comes first? 4 is more or 5 is more? We are going to check the first number now. So here it is 4 and here it is 5. So 5 is more. So when we are comparing, then we are going to check the first number. If the first number is less means we are going to put the less than symbol here. Okay? 42 and 45. The numbers are starting with 4. So we are going to check the next number 2 and 5. So 2 is less than, right? 2 is less than 5. So 42 is less than 45. Okay? I hope you understood. Thank you for watching, my little ones.